Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I am the creator of the iPlanner, iDesign, iJournals, and Keylife. What I'm going to show you real quick in this video today is some alternatives to storing your Dex cards. So if you want to keep them digital, if you don't want to cut them out, if you don't want to put them in a Dex card box or a Rolodex, this is an alternative to keeping them digital and having them on your iPad to scroll through, flip through, and then here you have a bird's eye view of all the cards at one glance. So I've borrowed all these cards from Robin Sampson. She is the one that sets up all the Bible prompts monthly and the Bible lessons every month. So this month was Life Principles. And like I said, I borrowed all of these from Robin so that I can show you how they fit into the album and how you have a bird's eye view to look through your cards. And this is keeping them digital, not having to cut them out, and having them on your iPad so that you can scroll and flip through them. So this is the album that I have them in. And in case you are new to Keylife and the Keylife albums and accessories, I will link them below. I also have another video on the album, but the album comes with all different templates. So depending on what you want to do or use the album for, you can use this for project life, scrapbooking. I collect scriptures on square cards and keep them in this template. And one other thing I want to point out about the album is that all these tabs are customizable. You can label them with seasons, holidays, events, months, family members. It's totally up to you. And then they come with several covers. This is the cover that I'm actually using. Let me show you all the covers that come with the album for you to choose from. It also comes with the templates to customize your own album cover, so you're not stuck with the ones that I have included with the album. So just scroll through these real quick. Okay, and now I want to show you another way to keep your Dex cards, and this is keeping them in your faith journal. So this is my faith journal. I have actually transformed my iPlanner into my faith journal. And one of my sections is labeled scriptures. And in that section, I have taken one of the iDesign clear pocket shapes and I just strategically placed them on a clear or blank page template. All the iPlanners come with tons of templates. And this one is a blank template. And I'm using this one to set up my pocket sleeves for my Dex cards. So there you have two ways of storing your Dex cards on your iPad, either using the Keylife album or your faith journal. And that's it for this video. I'll link everything below that I talked about. I just wanted to real quick go over this with you because I plan to post this on the Facebook group and on Instagram, and I wanted to explain it in a video rather than write a lot of text that's hard to get through reading sometimes with all the other posts. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope some light bulbs went off. If you enjoyed it, please like it and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this. Until next time, everyone, bye.